All right, everybody, good morning. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Once again, Happy New Year to everybody. We just got done running one of our 383 Chevy Strokers. Got this beautiful chromed out kit from March. Fantastic looking little kit. We got the nice aluminum valve covers on here, fin valve covers. We're running an MSD distributor, Holley carburetor, and of course this is a roller. It's a forged engine, complete. It's an H-beam rod motor with a forged piston. All good pieces is how we run our motors. This one is a 450 edition, made 460 at 58 RPM, and 5800 should I say, and it made about 490 foot-pounds of torque. That's a badass little motor, and I'm sure it could have been pulled a little higher, made a little more. But again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we exceed our expectations of what you're looking for. There's not a drop of oil, there's not a drop of water on this engine whatsoever. Again, expertise is what you're looking for. You found us. You want something? Give us a buzz. Peace. All right, good morning, everybody. I got one of our 383 Chevy Strokers on the dyno. I'm going to fire it up and give you a run demo. It's a 450 version. Let's see where it goes.